In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate customers in QuickBooks Online. If you've accidentally created two customer profiles for the same person or business, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to combine them. This helps keep your records clean, prevents confusion, and makes it much easier to track invoices, payments, open balances, and customer history in one place. Before you begin, it's important to understand that merging customers is permanent. Once the merge is complete, QuickBooks will move the old customer's transactions and history into the customer profile you're keeping, and you won't be able to undo it. To get started, go to the left-hand navigation pane in QuickBooks Online and select All Apps. From there, choose Customers to open your customer list. This is where you'll see all of the customer profiles currently saved in your company file. Next, locate the duplicate customer name that you want to remove by merging it into the main customer profile. Be careful here and make sure you open the duplicate customer, not the one you plan to keep. Once you've selected that duplicate customer, click Edit to open the customer details. In the Customer Edit screen, find the field labeled Display Name As. This is the key part of the process. In that field, type or select the exact name of the parent customer you want to keep. The name has to match exactly because QuickBooks uses that match to recognize that you want to combine the two customer records. If the spelling or formatting is different, the merge may not work as expected, so it's worth taking a moment to double-check it before moving on. After that, click Save. QuickBooks will then show you a warning pop-up asking if you want to merge the two accounts. This message is there because the action is permanent. If you're sure you selected the correct duplicate and matched it to the correct primary customer, click Yes to confirm. Once you do that, QuickBooks will merge the duplicate customer into the main profile. All transactions, open balances, and customer history from the old record will be permanently moved into the primary customer you chose to keep. That means you'll end up with one consolidated customer profile instead of two separate entries. And that's it. That's how to merge duplicate customers in QuickBooks Online. Just remember to review the names carefully before saving, since the merge cannot be reversed once it's completed.